For most businesses, the number one way you reach out to prospects and get them into your store is through your sign. The quality of your sign, how well it's designed, placed, and maintained is going to have a huge impact on your customers. An immediate and very powerful and rather unshakable relationship is drawn between your sign and how much people believe that you're going to deliver. We're taught not to judge a book by its cover, but we do anyway. The truth is that most business people vastly miscalculate the importance of their sign. I'm Todd Reinhardt from CorPro Signs in Loves Park, and from time to time, I'm going to be reaching out to you to discuss different topics that'll help bring the power of signage directly to your bottom line. There are many ways to advertise, but none will impact your bottom line more reliably than your sign and interior signage. Now, can you imagine a child setting up a lemonade stand without a sign? I mean, even a child gets it. It's when we grow up and we have all of these different alternatives that we forget the very first lesson in marketing. At CorPro Signs, we're still passionate about making beautiful signs. And today in my first message, I'd like to ask you to consider something that maybe you've never thought of before. You know it, but you're probably like most people and just never thought of this before. Imagine driving down your city's streets with every sign dirty, half-lit, leaning, poorly designed. It's depressing. Now imagine your city well-lit, clean, clear signs, tall, proud, beautifully designed. The incredible impact suddenly becomes clear, but we rarely consider the crucial place that we have in our community. Suddenly it's clear that we, as business people, have an important part to play in the overall aesthetic beauty of our home. There's an old Japanese saying that if everybody sweeps in front of their house, the whole street will be clean. The same goes, but I think even more so, for signs. I don't think you have an obligation that you owe it to your community to keep your sign looking its best, but I'll leave it to you to consider your business's place in the community. It's a broader question apart from how it helps your business actually get and keep customers. Now, with this said, there's no question that your business, led by your sign, makes your city a better place. We're business people, and we have pride. We all want to be a light in the community, and through your sign, you literally can be. I wanted you to take a minute, think about your sign, make sure it's burning bright, looking great, not just for your community, but for your bottom line.